Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to be focusing specifically on how to create and run a reverse journey query. Additional videos about the journey tool will be released soon. To begin, we first need to access the journey tool, which can be found under the Analyze drop-down tab in the top left. So I'll click Analyze and then find and select journeys from the list. Now, every query I run in Indicative, I like to first start by asking a question of the data. In this case, I'm going to ask, what paths are users taking to convert? So essentially, how are users getting to our conversion event? First thing I'll do is select our conversion event from the list. So I'll click Select an Event. And then within Petbox's data, our conversion event is ultimately called Subscribe. So I'll select Subscribe from the list. If I ran this query right now, I would get a regular journey showing me where users go after they actually subscribe. But since I want to see where they're coming from before they subscribe, what I'll need to do is click where it says starting with and then switch to ending with. Now once I do that and click the play button, I'll have run my journey in reverse. So there's a little time indicator across the bottom pointing to the right, and that's telling me that these users' journeys are moving from the left to the right, ultimately ending with that subscribe event. Now, just like with the regular journey query tool, we can choose our date range, so anywhere from 1 to 30 days. We can merge our repeated steps together if we need to. And we have the ability to increase or decrease our threshold anywhere from half to 20%, and ultimately expand this journey out anywhere from 5 to 15 steps. The biggest difference here when interpreting the results from a regular journey lies at the bottom with these little black Journey Begins event indicators. Now within Petbox's data set, the numbers are very small of the journeys that begin. Again, this is a fictional data set just used for example purposes, and that's why it reads with such low numbers. But when you are interpreting your own results, understand that these black event indicators show us where the journey begins for new users, rather than where it ends as it does in a typical journey. Outside of that, almost all of the functionality here is virtually the same. So if I want to click on an event, I can still expand it, I can exclude it, and I can still create additional queries such as the cohort or funnel query off of it. For now, happy analyzing.